How to switch Roblox accounts on iPhone or Android phone. Welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Roblox tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch accounts on Roblox mobile. So if you're trying to switch from one account to another within the Roblox app, in this video, I'll show you how to easily do that. And if this video helps you, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like, because that really helps me out. All right, so in order to switch Roblox accounts, the first thing we need to do is simply open up the Roblox app on our iPhone or Android phone. Then with the Roblox app open, simply select the circle with 3 dots in it in the bottom right of the Roblox app to open the menu, then simply scroll all the way down and select Log Out. Confirm you do want to log out of your Roblox account. Then once you do that, you'll be able to select Log In on Roblox and log in to the other account that you want to switch to on Roblox. So then just enter the username and password for the other account, and then you'll be able to switch to that account on Roblox. All right, so that's how you switch Roblox accounts on Roblox mobile. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Roblox tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.